Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the TikTok trend baby face effects on Capcut. So if you are seeing TikTok right now, there are so many baby face trend that you see on TikTok, and if you want to make one, you can make one on Capcut. So what you need to do is you just need to go to click on the video or photo on the Capcut after you import it, and then go to style, and here swipe until you find the baby face. Okay, so this one's right here. Click on the style or effects and click on the check icon, and now the baby face effect has been applied to your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful, please click thanks below. If you like the video, please click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.